Hi everyone, it's Mike from Bentley. Welcome to my driveway, which is currently the home of one of our Flying Spur press cars. Now this car is in need of a wash, so for the latest in our how-to series, while we can't drive very much, we thought we'd talk you through the products and the processes that we use to keep our press fleet clean. To help me with this, I've got a written task instruction from our master valeters back in Crewe, which I'll talk you through. Now from a distance, this car doesn't look very dirty, but up close, it definitely is. So while from a distance it looks quite tidy, once we look up close we can see that the extreme silver paintwork is absolutely covered in pollen and dust. There's also a significant amount of bird dirt on the front fender. And if we don't get that off quickly in the sun, that'll actually damage the lacquer. The wheels are covered in brake dust, there's bugs on the front end, and there's some general dirt and muck on the lower sills as well from the road. The glass is also dirty just from general road dust, so it's time to give this car a wash. Let's go through the things we need. So here's all of the kit I'm going to need to clean this Flying Spur. We've got a hose for a stream of low pressure cold water, a nice big bucket with a grit catcher at the bottom, 2 sheepskin mitts, I'll come back to why it's 2 later, Auto Smart Duet car shampoo, 2 spray bottles, one with traffic film remover and one with a treatment for the wheels, a chamois, some cleaning cloths and a can of Auto Smart Stardust. Now in the ideal world, the other thing that you need is an assistant. I've chosen a 3-year-old. This one's my daughter, and as you can see, she's chosen her own dress today. Are you going to help Daddy wash the car? Yes. Okay.
Let's do it.
So the first job is to cover the whole car in traffic film remover. This is Auto Smart TFR and it helps break down all of the road grime and oil and greases on the car. You can get your 3-year-old to do this for you if you like. Right, so what we're going to do is squeeze this button here. Woo!
Again?
Once you hold it.
Right. Stinky poo. That's stinky poo, isn't it?
Now for the wheels, you want to keep the kids out of the picture because we're using a special compound called Smart Wheels by Auto Smart on the wheels, which breaks down the brake dust and the other road grime, and it's not particularly nice. So keep the kids away from this bit. Just dress all the wheels with the wheel cleaner. So after 5 minutes, rinse the car of the TFR and the wheel cleaner using nice low pressure cold water. Whatever you do, don't let it dry. Then it's time to actually wash the car. We're using Auto Smart Duet shampoo and 2 wash mitts. One for the lower sills, bumpers and the wheels where there's more grit, and the other one for everything else. Now it's going to take a little bit of time for the 2 of us to wash the car, so it's time to break out the time lapse. Once the whole car has been shampooed, rinse it again with low pressure cold water. Now what we're doing is using a drying cloth to dry the whole car, and that just avoids watermarks as the water dries naturally. Wring the cloth out after you've dried every panel or any time it feels saturated with water. Okay, so with the car completely dry, for the final touch we use absolute magic in a can. This is Auto Smart Stardust and it's perfect for polishing little bits of chrome work. Okay, so we're going to put some of this on here. Wipe it off. On the black bit, like this, around here. That's it. Good girl. So there we have it. One clean Flying Spur, courtesy of a 3-year-old. Now when these cars go back into service in the press fleet, we'll be taking a whole load of extra measures to keep them clean for the media. External touch points will be sanitised, all of the interior touch points like the inside door handles and the gear lever will all be disinfected, and after every loan the cars go into a 3-day quarantine. So we're doing our very best to keep us safe and you safe. But that's how to wash a Bentley when it's in your care. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you enjoy washing the Bentley? Okay, say bye. Bye.